Welcome to the Beauty Forecast 2026. This video presents a definitive market report on the global leaders in beauty kits and curated collections, focusing on the top 20 trending makeup kits. We begin with the analysis phase, covering essential market analysis and identifying the core trends driving the makeup kit category for 2026. Three core industry drivers are shaping 2026. Hybrid formulas integrate active skincare ingredients into color products. Eco-refillables make kits modular to reduce waste. Finally, tech-personalized kits use AR codes for real-time application tutorials. Looking at market growth by segment, D2C influencer kits lead with 92% growth, closely followed by luxury prestige sets at 85%. Clean beauty discovery and professional artistry sets also show robust growth. This top 20 overview matrix divides the market into 4 tiers, from the top 5 brands focused on global dominance to emerging brands prioritizing daily essentials and accessibility. We start with the global leaders, focusing on ranks 1 through 5, which represent the most powerful and influential brands in the market today. At number 1 is the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Kit. It captured the 2026 market with its sheer no-makeup skin tint formula and inclusion of the Hydrovisor SPF 50. Rare Beauty's Soft Pinch Liquid Blush Trio is number 2. It continues its viral success due to extreme pigment payoff and being the number 1 gifted makeup kit, supported by mental health advocacy. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk set is number 3. This universal nude kit is the peak of luxury prestige gifting and now includes the Pillow Talk Big Lip Plump. Ranked 4th is the Sephora Favorites Gleaming Goddess Kit. This multi-brand discovery set offers a high value-to-price ratio, making it an entry point for Gen Alpha consumers. Coming in at number 5 is the McGrath Mothership collection. It is the gold standard for professional-grade pigments in a consumer-friendly kit, paired with the new Liquid Diamonds lip gloss line. Next, we move to Tier 2, the Modern Minimalists, covering the brands ranked 6 through 10. Number 6 is Glossier's Full Dewy Routine. This kit champions a skin-first, makeup-second focus, appealing to the professional demographic with a minimalist aesthetic. The Dior Backstage Essentials Kit, at number 7, provides couture performance, bridging high fashion standards with daily use. It's also seeing a 30% increase in male consumer adoption. Number 8 is Makeup by Mario's Master Mattes Pro Set. The brand is the authority for professional matte textures, offering reliable, high-pigment neutral palettes for creators. The Hydro Grip Set by Milk Makeup is ranked 9th. It is the gold standard for long-wear performance in clean beauty, with a 90% conversion rate from trial size to full kit purchase. Number 10 is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit 2026. This palette uses photoluminescent technology to dominate the finish powder market, ensuring a flawless skin finish. Moving to the cult icon's rank 11 is the NARS Duo, which remains a top seller. Rank 12 is Westman Atelier's Petit Stacks Trio, representing the peak of clean, high-end cream contour luxury. The clean innovators include Ilia Beauty at number 13, leading in skincare-infused foundation kits. Number 14, Summer Fridays, thrives on the dewy lip trend with their Lip Butter Balm Trio. Huda Beauty's Rose Quartz Kit, ranked 15, focuses on Energy Beauty. The kit includes pigments and lip glosses infused with crushed, semi-precious stones. Our final tier covers ranks 16 through 20, identifying the rising stars that are rapidly gaining market share. Looking ahead to 2027, we project a shift to micro-modular kits, the adoption of bioidentical pigments from botanical sources, and the standardization of circular supply chains with empty return programs. Thank you for reviewing the 2026 Beauty Benchmark Report. For strategic inquiries, please use the contact information provided.